Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we just want to show you the powerful tool of the powerful feature of Excel, which is known as the conditional formatting. So conditional formatting, we find it under Home. Then we come here to conditional formatting. This is where we have the conditional formatting feature. So today this is just going to be a very short video. So the main task for this video is simply to if I'm going to enter a name here, for example, if I'm going to enter a name John, what I want here is to ensure that all the names that starts that is got all the rows that is got a name John should take this same formatting, should have this yellow background, should have this red font color. Same applies to city, so that will be a repetition in order to consolidate the idea. So we'll be looking at more features, but today specifically going to look at the basic conditional formatting. So let me start. So the first thing that I need to do is to select all the rows that are going to be affected. So I'm selecting all my rows. So after selecting, I'm now going to conditional formatting. So this is my conditional formatting. Then I'm going to choose highlight cell rules. Then I just go on to choose more rules. So from here now, I need to select this option. It says use a formula to determine which cells to format. Then I come here. So I'm going to start with first name. So I click, I just put my equal sign, and then click on the cell that I want to enter the value. So I'm saying whatever I'm going to enter in this value, and this is absolute, should be equal to so I click a cell here, the first one. But if you check here, this one is also absolute, but I want it to apply on all the cells going down. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to remove this $sign so that only the column B remains absolute, but the rows should be relative. I hope you're getting the sense. So I'm going on to format so that the cells will take the same formatting as I have specified here. So the formatting that I have is like the fonts. I'll just choose bold, italic. Then the font color, I'll choose a red font color. Then I go on to fill color. I'm just going to choose yellow fill color. Then going to click OK. So this is what is going to happen. Whatever value I enter here, if the name applies or is there, so the whole row that is on that particular name should be selected and should have this formatting as well. So after this one, I'm just going to click OK. So now let's try to test that. So I'll choose John as the first one. Just press enter. So it is white. So all the cells that is got the name John, the rows are taking this form, the red font color and the yellow background. It's fine. So I'm just going to choose another name, say Mary. Press enter. It's working. So I'm going to remove that and allow you to try on the city. So the concept is still the same. So select everything. That's the first thing. So after selecting all the your rows, move on to conditional formatting. Highlight the cell rules, then more rules. From there, I'm going to say use formula to determine which cell. Then I'm going to say this is the cell. So that's the cell that I need. So whatever value that I'm entering here, if it matches, if it's equal to a value in this cell, but we don't want to focus on this cell only. So what I will do is I will remove this dollar sign. So if I focus on this cell only, what it means is the match will only look at this cell, which is E3. So if I remove this, the match will focus on this was column. So it will the column will be constant, but the rows will be relative. So the rows will be changing. So I'm going on to choose format. I'm going on to choose the fill color. So I choose a yellow fill color. I'm going to choose the bold italic. Then I'm going to choose the font color. I click OK. Then this is the formatting that I want. It's fine. Background yellow, font color red. So I'll leave it like that. Click OK. So come here. So enter a city. Maybe I'll say I want Cardiff. Press enter. It's selected. So choose another city. Type Bolton. Selected. Choose another city. Cardiff. Selected. So it's working. So there's so many features that you can play around with conditional formatting, but this is one basic feature that I normally use, and it's quite helpful when I want to have all the details at a glance. So thank you so much for listening. We'll meet in another video.